Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the MySpot Carrier app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. MySpot Carrier is a freight management app developed by MySpot, aimed at helping carriers and owner-operators efficiently manage load bookings, dispatching, and document handling. It offers features like real-time load tracking, instant rate confirmations, digital paperwork submission, and communication with brokers, all from one mobile dashboard. The app is designed to streamline the booking-to-payment process while improving load visibility and operational control for drivers. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users generally appreciate the app's smooth interface and the ability to accept or decline loads instantly. Many carriers report that real-time updates and automated document management help reduce administrative overhead. Some also find the integration with payment processing and the fast broker communication especially useful when on the road. The app's simplicity and clear workflow are highlighted as major strengths for small carriers and independent drivers. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users mention occasional glitches during load acceptance or delays in document uploads. There are also reports that the load availability can be inconsistent depending on region and time. A few carriers have expressed concerns about rate competitiveness and limited support hours, especially when urgent issues arise. Additionally, new users might face a slight learning curve with the platform's navigation and features. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the MySpot Carrier app may be worth using if you're a carrier or owner-operator seeking a streamlined, mobile-first freight management experience. It shines in ease of use, real-time updates, and digital document handling. However, if you need high-volume load access or full-service support around the clock, it might not meet every expectation. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.